Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I received a letter just recently, and I'm going to read it to you. It says, "Hi Geo, greetings from Singapore. Having watched your numerous videos on YouTube, including your ATG one-pass shave, blindfold shave, and shaving outdoors in the snow, I note that there is no video of you shaving while seated in a relaxed manner. It would be interesting to see you shave while seated and holding a handheld mirror, that is, a one-hand shave while the other is holding the mirror. If DE shaving is supposed to be relaxing, it can be done while one is seated rather than on one's feet, and this would also minimize water usage instead of constantly rinsing the DE razor under the tap. I have never tried this myself, but as many of your YouTube subscribers, including myself, would agree, you are indeed the undisputed master of the wet shaving world. Assuming you do a shaving video while seated with a handheld mirror, may I suggest that you use a Muhle R41 with a feather blade thrown in to up the ante? Feel free to read this message to your YouTube subscribers if you decide to do such a video. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you, Siva, S-I-V-A. Siva. Thank you for the request, Siva. You're right, I've never shaved sitting down in my entire life. I'm more of a stand-up type guy, on the go, moving, I'm not too much of a sit-down type guy, but per your request, let's do this. Why not, right? I have a tub of hot water, a bowl right here, a big, good-sized bowl, and Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood shaving cream, one of my all-time faves. And he requested the R41, which I will use the R41 Grande. It's got a thicker, longer handle, which I prefer. I'll use that, and I will load it up with a feather blade right here. Shaving brush will be the Shave Nation Hot Lava shaving brush. Beautiful looking brush. Nice, fine Badger. Excellent brush. Finishing up, we'll do a once over with the Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum block. And then the final step in the process will be Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood Luxury Moisturizing Cream. So we're sticking with the sandalwood theme right here. All right, I'm just going to do this with one bowl. If you were out in the field, maybe you're military, whatever, this would be the way you would probably do it. You'd have one bowl. I don't know if you'd have a sink, but you'd have some sort of a bowl filled with water. I have a handheld mirror right here. I'll use this. The only other thing, a Shave Nation face cloth right here. Just a washcloth. Let's wet the beard. Actually, we're going to do this in steps so that we can just do this with one tub of water. I'll drop the face cloth right into the water. Saturate it. I mean, if I was standing outside somewhere, I'd splash the hot water on my face, but since I'm not standing outside, I'm going to use this face cloth right here. Just put that right on the face and warm up the beard. Let's do 2 applications. Okay, the beard should be good and warm. Let's crack the cap on our sandalwood right here. The brush right into the same water. I'm not a big fan of using the same water for everything, but if you're in the field, you don't have a lot of options. So the brush is saturated. Give it a couple shakes right there. Now we'll go right into this sandalwood. We're going to wet the tips like so. And we're going to go right to the face and start lathering. And here's my mirror. I'll check myself this way. A little bit of water. Also easier if you can stand the mirror on something, then you could work with 2 hands. But Siva requested a one-hander, so I'm doing a one-hander. And of course I'm going to get some cream on my polo shirt here because the collars come up pretty high. Can't help that. A little more water. Work it into the beard. I've got like 1.5 days beard growth. I don't have a super heavy beard. Okay, there we go. Shaving cream is applied. Set down the mirror and the brush. Let's disassemble our R41 Grande. Remove the handle. Here's the blade, feather blade. Take it out of the wrapper, right here. Drop that right over the post and pins, like so. Reassemble. All right, ready to rock and roll with the shave. The reveal looks good to me. Nice and even on both sides. We have to look somewhat respectable here. All right, here we go. Hot water. Starting on the right side. Perpendicular. Tilt the handle slightly out. Let's just work our way down. Very aggressive razor. If you have heavy beard growth, this will definitely remove it quickly. Just using the white shaving cream as a guideline. Right there. One side is filled, flip it over, hit the other side. Let's rinse that. It's about ready to fall off. That shaving cream. Just give it a swirl and a rinse. Okay, now the left side. I can actually rest the mirror on the bowl here. Okay. Same as the other side. Very nice. Such an aggressive razor that you can probably get done with one pass, 2 at the most with this razor. Let's clean up the middle here. Now this way. Okay, very good. Pretty clean. Let's rinse that and set it down. Okay, I'd rather not rinse with that dirty water, so I'd use the cloth again. Just rinse off. Quick wipe off. Let's see how it looks. Beautiful. Nice and smooth. You can be done right now. But let's just do a little bit more. We'll go one more pass. We'll get super smooth. Just a little bit more cream. Just a light coating of cream the second time around. We'll hit the cheeks and the neck. Razor in the water, which is why I prefer a sink. It's much cleaner. You can just rinse under the stream of water and let the debris run down the drain. You're not putting your dirty razor into dirty water. So, not the ideal circumstances. If you have sensitive skin, this may cause you a few issues, but if you're out in the field, you don't have a choice. Against the grain on the neck. Very smooth. Okay. Now we'll go just across the grain here. Excellent. Backhand. Very good. Very good. Just a little outlining. Okay, let's rinse off. Very smooth right there. Super smooth. Neck is good. The front here is good. Cheeks are very smooth. But let's do this just a little bit on the cheeks. I know you probably ask about it if I didn't do this, so let's go against the grain on the cheeks too. I'm going to just ride the cap here. Start with the rounded portion on the skin. I would prefer to stretch, but I can't stretch because I'm holding the mirror. So I'm just going to do it gently, just skimming like this. As soon as that razor starts to catch, that's where I want to be, that sweet spot. This gets you super smooth. Other side. Very good. Wide stick alum block. Just glide it around. All the areas you just shaved. It's an astringent, so if you got any little nicks, weepers, micro weepers, it'll seal them off real easy. Set that down. Just let that soak in for about 30 seconds, and then you can rinse it off or wipe it off with a towel. Let's wipe it off. Fold this down. We can create a little bit of airflow and dry it this way. If you had a second cloth, ideally, you could just wipe your face, but this works too. Okay, slightly damp. Now we'll apply our aftershave cream. Not too much, right in the fingertips. Massage that in. Hit the forehead a little bit. All right, let's see what it looks like. Two and a half passes. I went from 1.5 days growth to 0 to super smooth on the cheeks. Okay, very minimalist shave. 1 bucket of water, shaving cream, brush, the blade, the razor, and a little aftershave. If you have it, you can use it. If you don't have it, do without it. You could just finish up with the wide stick alum block and then be on your way as well. Now let's condition the beard a little bit. Proraso beard oil. It's got a little dropper on here, so we'll put some directly onto the beard. Just a few drops. Now we'll take our Proraso boar brush, beard brush, the palm brush right here. Fits perfectly in the hand. Straighten out all the hairs. Condition them so they don't look so brittle. They look nice and healthy now. Okay, that's it. A final look at the razor. The Muhle R41 Grande. Nice thick handle, longer than a standard handle. Much more easier if you have bigger hands, much easier for you to handle this razor. And excellent shave provided. If you prefer an aggressive shave, if you have heavy beard growth, this is one of the most aggressive razors on the market right here, the R41. And the Grande with the thicker, heavier handle, or the twist, either one, will even make it a little bit more aggressive. And the feather blade, also the most aggressive blade out there. It really cranks up your shave. If you want to tone it down a little bit, go with something else. An Astra, Gillette blade, Derby Shark, whatever. That'll tone it down for you. Okay, that's about it. First time I've ever shaved sitting down in my years. So, Siva, thank you very much for the request. I hope this satisfied your everything you were looking for. And I know there are some gents out there who only shave sitting down. Number one is Hawkeye, the director. My buddy, he shaves specifically sitting down. And I remember when he first told me that, I said, I got a new nickname for you, the director. He's now the director. You know, the director's chair. He always sits back and watches what's happening. And all you others out there who shave sitting down, enjoy. I hope this helped. If you can find a way to stabilize the mirror so you could use two hands, makes it much easier. That's one recommendation. Other than that, no problem with the shave. I do prefer standing in front of the mirror though, and then rinsing in the sink. I just think it's much cleaner. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to pick up any of these items, click down below where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you want in the search box, it'll pop right up. Do me a favor before I head out, smash that subscribe button down there, and then click the bell up there, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. I think we'll call this video Sit Down and Shave. Not Shut Up and Shave. I think I did that already. This will be Sit Down and Shave. Alright, I'm out. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.